Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this class, we're going to learn about the OR function in Power BI DAX and the various ways you can make use of an OR in Power BI DAX. We have three different ways. That's OR, literally OR you use in, or you use the double straightforward slash. So let's just get onto it. Now, the data sets that we have in this report now is just a table that comprises of patient information and another table that comprises of the patient's appointment. And we want to find out now number of appointments that were not attended or cancelled. Literally, number of appointments that were not attended or number of appointments that were cancelled. We want to just find the total number of appointments in this category. So let's do it. Number of appointments, we just call it DNA, that's did not attend, or cancelled. Okay, so we just go to the next line. We use the calculate function in this situation. It's a measure we're trying to work with now, not a column. So we're counting the appointments. There's going to be a distinct count. We don't want to get duplicates. So appointment number of the patients. And then we start with the first function for OR. We have where the appointment attendance status is equal to is registered as not attended, so that's what we're going to use. Be careful to use so you use the right spelling, else you get the wrong figure. Now we use the first function or that is this symbol of double straightforward slash. Please tell me what it is in the comments. That's what I call it. Or appointment attendance status is equal to cancelled. And there we have it. Close a bracket, and there we have it. We just put it in here. We have 34 of them. Now we're going to work on the second way to apply OR in a DAX. But to get this to be faster, let's just copy this to an extent. Oh, just copy all. Okay, let's go. So we just do the next one, new measure, copy, paste. We call this 2. So we're still counting number of appointments, but instead of using this function, we're going to literally use OR function, which is OR here. Then you put your bracket. Now all we're going to do is remove this and put a comma. This is just what makes it different. For this OR function, literally using the OR or the straight double slashes. So here we have it. Let's just copy this and paste it, and get to see the other, and you see that you end with the same result. So these are just different OR ways of getting to use the OR function in Power BI DAX and arriving at the same result. It's just to choose which one you feel is best or easiest for you. So we just copy this now again, and then try the next way to get OR function in here. So for this, we're still counting the number of appointments, but instead of using OR now, we're going to take this out and say we're appointment attendance status in this time, in, and we're not going to use the normal bracket where we all know. We're going to use this particular bracket, and we type in the categories we need, which is particularly not attended, bracket close, comma, and then you list the other one, cancelled. And then you close the bracket using the same type of bracket. Then to close the final bracket, and there we have it. Okay, we did not change the title for this tree, and close the bracket. And there we have it. We just put this in, and there we have it. 3 different ways of getting to the same result. All you just do is choose which one is easiest for you to arrive at. So there we have it. Catch you in the next video. Bye.